Hello everybody and welcome to another YouTube video from Routemaster for Hire. In this video today is the FBHVC Drive It Day. It's a lovely sunny Sunday, so we're going to be taking these three buses behind me out on the road for a little road run across Cheshire and into Chester. Now every year the FBHVC organise the Drive It Day on behalf of a designated charity, and this year the charity is Childline. So if you do enjoy this video, there is a link below for you to make a donation to that charity on behalf of the FBHVC. So join us as we take these buses out on the road on this lovely sunny Sunday afternoon for the FBHVC Drive It Day. So who are the FBHVC and what is Drive It Day? Well people, the FBHVC stands for the Federation of British Historic Vehicle Clubs. They're a voluntary organisation which exists to uphold the freedom to use historic vehicles on the road, and they do this by representing the interests of owners like us to politicians, government bodies and legislators here in the UK. Their membership is open to anyone who has an interest in classic and vintage vehicles and includes clubs, museums, suppliers and individuals. Now every year around this time the FBHVC organise National Drive It Day, an opportunity for owners to get their vehicles out on the road to raise awareness and support from the general public for the historic vehicle movement, and at the same time raise some much needed money for charity. As I already mentioned, this year all the money raised is going to Childline. At the time of producing this video, Drive It Day had already raised nearly £32,000, and if you'd like to donate, you'll find a link below to the FBHVC Just Giving page. Okay people, that's enough chat for now, let's get them buses out on the road.
Hi, I'm Glenn and I'm the owner of this 1958 Bristol low decker LD6G with fitted with a prototype Gardner engine of 6LX and used by Croswell on the Wirral in its Rock Ferry depot from 1958 till 1976, when it was withdrawn from use and then converted into a tow bus, which it was used as for many years, and then latterly the roof was cut off it to make it into a tree lopping vehicle, and I bought it in 1998, so I've had it for 23 years, and now it pretends to be an open top bus from the North Wales coast.
Hello, I'm Tim and this is my 1977 Bristol LH that was new to London Transport in Kingston Depot as one of the BL class. It stayed there for about 4 years of its life, and then it went up to Bishop Auckland where it ran in service for about 20 years, and then it was brought into preservation and looked after, although it was stored outside until I bought it. So it's had a complete restoration inside and out, and we're just finishing off the underneath at the moment.
Hello, I'm Alan and I am the owner of this particular Routemaster behind me, RM2213, which was new to London Transport in May 1965. It was originally allocated to Hackney Garage, where it worked routes 6 and 30. As with all Routemasters, it hopped around different garages in London throughout its life with LT, and it ended up at Willesden Garage with Metroline on routes 6 and 98 before being withdrawn in 1998. After withdrawal from LT, it went to KD Coach Hire of Dyserth near Rhyl, North Wales, who operated it for a very short period on the North Wales coast. From there, it was sold to a private individual in Helensburgh, Scotland, a hotelier who intended to restore the bus to its former glory, but alas, this never happened. The bus was then sold from Helensburgh all the way down to another buyer in Southampton. Restoration work did begin with this owner but wasn't completed. It was then bought by Dr. Chris Dobbin of the A1 Bus Company in Peterborough in 2006, who spent an awful lot of money restoring her more or less to the condition as you see here now. I bought the bus from Chris Dobbin in August 2019, and she's been part of the Routemaster for hire fleet up here in Wrexham, North Wales since then. As you'll notice, this bus does look slightly different to the other buses in the fleet in that it doesn't have a cream relief band and gold lettering. This is because when the bus was last outshopped at Aldenham in '83, it was allocated to Walworth Garage and stayed there for 2 years, and the only pictures I have of the bus are of it in this livery. I therefore have chosen to retain this livery on this bus.
And there you have it, people, proving that restoring vintage buses is not all work and no play. Thank you to Tim, Alan and Glyn for driving, and thank you to you for watching. We are back with more restoration work in our next video, and remember to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Oh, and don't forget the link below if you want to donate to Childline. Thank you.